So this is how you can cancel your items on Temu. Go ahead and open up the app and then tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen. Now we're gonna want to tap on orders or your orders, and here it should show every single order we've made. So we're gonna want to tap on processing. If your order is still here, you can actually cancel it by simply tapping on the order and then tapping on cancel. Processing means that it hasn't been shipped yet and it's just on the very first steps of ordering. So you can go on ahead and cancel it. But if it's in shipped or delivered, you can't cancel your order because it's already being handled and it would be a waste of time for you to just cancel the order when it's already about to arrive to you. So yeah, that is how you can cancel an order. You're gonna want to tap on your order and then tap on cancel once you open it up. Once again, go to the U button, tap on your orders, and then tap on processing. See if your item is still on here, and if it is, tap on it and then scroll down to tap on cancel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.